Water plays a vital role in our daily life. It affects our life from a spiritual to a financial view. Water arrives about 3.8 billion years ago on Earth and covers 70% of Earth. Today we will discuss that 70%. As we discussed, it covers more than 70% of our planet. Yet its depths hold countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And 80% of the ocean is unexplored. It's very difficult to explore the ocean depth, and it may be more difficult than space exploration. But why is it difficult to explore ocean? At first, the sunlight can go up to 100 meters fully, but after that light reduces gradually after 1000 meters full of darkness. Means we can see clearly up to the depth of 100 meters. And in some places dust and mud water blurs our vision. The more you dive deeper in the ocean, the pressure increases gradually. In some places, this pressure may be 1000 times as compared to sea level. That is why our scientific instruments may crush due to high pressure. Sonar beams are the famous way to explore the ocean bed. So let's explore deep. Beneath the surface lies a world teeming with life and ecosystems so rich and diverse that we've only explored a fraction of it. Let's take a closer look at some of the unique ecosystems underwater. Often called the rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support around 25% of all marine life. These delicate ecosystems are home to thousands of species, from brightly colored fish to intricate coral formations. Ocean is the home to the largest mammal of today's era, the blue whale, which may be long up to 100 feet. At the other end of the spectrum, we have deep ocean trenches, like the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. These areas remain largely unexplored due to extreme pressures and darkness, yet they are home to some of the most alien-like creatures on Earth. In the ocean's pitch-black depths, some creatures produce their light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. This ability helps them attract prey, communicate, and even camouflage themselves in the dark. Long the stuff of legends, the giant squid is a real creature that lives deep in the ocean. Growing up to 43 feet in length, it's one of the world's largest and most elusive animals, rarely seen by humans. One of the ocean's most remarkable inhabitants is the immortal jellyfish. This tiny creature can reverse its aging process, effectively becoming younger and starting its life cycle over again, making it potentially immortal. Recently, scientists found something of some of the biggest civilizations of history. Near the state of Gujarat of India in the Arabian seabed, some man-made structures are found by explorers. Historians believe this may be the ancient Dwarka, the kingdom of Lord Sri Krishna. And this is not the only civilization the historians found. Historians found large man-made structures in the Atlantic seabed and near the Baltic Sea. The ocean is not just home to incredible creatures, it also features more vast and alien landscapes than anything on land. Stretching across the globe, mid-ocean ridges are the longest mountain ranges on Earth, formed by tectonic plates shifting beneath the surface. These underwater ranges are the birthplace of the new ocean floor. At certain locations along these ridges, you'll find hydrothermal vents, underwater geysers that spew superheated water rich with minerals. Despite the extreme conditions, these vents are surrounded by unique ecosystems that thrive in complete darkness. Water doesn't just exist in the oceans. It also plays a crucial role in shaping the planet's climate and weather. The oceans store and distribute heat around the world, influencing weather patterns and helping regulate temperatures. The more we learn about water, the more we realize how essential it is to protect it. Human activities like overfishing, pollution, and climate change are putting immense pressure on our oceans, lakes, and rivers. You will be surprised to know plastic particles are even found in Antarctica, which is about 1,000 miles away from the nearest inhabitable places. There are places in the ocean where human household garbage is concentrated in large amounts. The ocean is not just a resource, it's a world full of wonder, mystery, and life. From the tiny organisms that support entire ecosystems to the massive forces that shape our planet, the world inside water is as fascinating as it is vital. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible world inside water. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the wonders of our planets and universe. Stay curious, and until next time, dive deep.